Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a lot of chores today. I'm going to tidy up the bed, do some laundry, wash the dishes, and organize a little more stuff. What I'm showing to you right now is how the house looks like before I clean so that we'll see the difference later. So you guys know that I've already started with organizing the pantry and the kitchen, and I've put a little decor in the bedroom as well. But I know that I still have a lot to organize, so I guess I'm doing it slowly just to make sure that I will organize everything properly. And last weekend, we decided to visit Kmart again to buy more jars. I will be showing them to you later, and I'll link everything that we bought down below. Anyway, I hope that you like this video and get motivated as well because I'm so excited to clean the house today. And I would greatly appreciate if you'd subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to keep you posted every time I post a new video. So, let's get started!
I got that feeling someone's watching me.
So first I'm going to wipe down this toaster because I'm going to keep it at the top of the shelf. We don't have a lot of counter space guys, that's why I have to keep it every time after I use it.
Necessary.
Now I'm going to keep the wash dishes so that I could get started with washing the new dirty dishes.
Wanna get shit and sunny. Then come on, come on, come on. Do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me. Do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me. You got me going now, I'm taking that leap. Cause you give me faith in something. Ooh, now you're bringing me to my knees. Cause you don't believe in nothing.
Washing the dishes is a large part of my cleaning routine every day, so I guess you'll always get to watch me do it every time. Anyway, this is reality guys. As long as we eat, we always have dirty dishes after.
I see the way you're looking at me. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Baby, it's sweet like honey. It got me flying like birds and bees.
So I know most people wash their sinks at night because you won't use it till the next morning. But as for me, I wash the sink in the morning because like I've said in my past video, I don't really clean much at night when my husband's already home.
I see the way you're looking at me. I see the way you're looking at me. I know you want me. 'Cause I see the way you're looking at me. I know you want me. 'Cause I see the way.
Now I'm going to load some laundry and fold the dried cleaning cloths while watching YouTube videos. And I know I've already shared that with you in my past video because it really does help me get motivated to clean. So let's move on to the organizing part. As you know, I already have these tall jars where I put the pasta and nacho chips in it, but after I did the organizing last time, I realized that I have to have jars for my powdered stuff like the flour, cornstarch, etc. So I decided that I'm going to put all the powdered stuff in these tall jars instead and buy a wider jar for the pasta and nacho chips. So I only bought two of these lock lid jars and they are really great for the pasta and chips.
I'm changing, I'm changing. Say I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing. Say I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing. Say I'm changing. I cannot wait till I move back to the south side. Love in the air, I embrace it with my arms wide. Miss my mama cooking, hugs and kisses at the door. Goodbye to the city, standing on my tippy toes. Y'all don't even know me, I don't even know me. Changing cause of college, childhood friends want to owe me. Now they think of me like Adrian or LeBron, but I didn't like the
And then I'm just going to wash the tall used jars and then I'm going to put in it the flour, cornstarch, and breadcrumbs. So these are what I think the three powders that I may be using more frequently right now than the others. I also bought these large cereal container because I also tried putting the cereal into the tall jar, but we all know that it was too small.
This ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you. Cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks, but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the sheets again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
I still have more powders here, so I guess I still have to buy more jars for them.
All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. It ain't the change of the season, no. It ain't the distance from the sun. And I keep looking for reasons. It's you're the only one.
I don't have a label yet available for these guys, so I just decided to put a ribbon on the jar containing the flour for me not to get confused.
Baby, yeah, you make me feel awesome. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, yeah, you make me feel awesome. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel.
This is my favorite part in this video. I actually bought more Oreo so that I could fill this jar and I really enjoyed doing it. I only grabbed the choco flavored chips because it was on sale and I think it was only $1 per bag.
They all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. I got problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. I got problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
Lastly, I am going to put the paper towels in this glass. We recently bought vinegar and soy sauce because we're almost out of it and we always use it in cooking. So I'm just going to put them in the pantry and find space for it.
One night, you're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. Me one time, I just wanna see what happens. Don't ignore you, wanna know you, show you all the class.
Now I'm just going to load the washer with the light colored clothes. Then I'm going to put it in the dryer afterwards.
Letting loose the little sinning. Low key like a seal mission. Choked up in a submission. You so fucked up, all hugs when the light switching. You the only one I get the cost. If you try running, got me snapping back at anybody with their eyes on it. Motherfucker, I run it. Yeah, why these nights so ironic? I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want.
As for the bed, I don't have to change the sheets today, so I'm just going to tidy up the bed and fix it. I'm also going to clean our bedside tables, which by now you'll realize that almost all of our stuff go here.
Stay chilly with a stone face. Shoot my shot like what's up, but I draw blanks. Go getter, I'm a gorilla, got my set some gold chains. There's a lot that don't tell you, know I should've known better. You eye candy and I been fed up. Iron grip on a Stella, bitch, I won't let up. She think that it's just for the night. Fuck it then, I be out acting like she right. Feeling like she just moving on my homies out of spite. Give a fuck about it, find another one I like. Let you know about it, yeah. When the night's not controlling you, so when you get up and you leave, but I don't wanna see what you open to. Like the renegade life, but I don't, yeah. I don't, I don't, I don't.
And then the last thing that I'm doing is to take out everything from the dryer. I'm not going to fold the clothes today because I'm already tired, so I'm just going to set it aside for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at LoveTrisha12. Bye!